So, namaskar and good evening, and welcome to the show Ask Me How on Vedic Mathematics. So, this is 79th episode, and I'm ready to answer all your queries. Whatever doubts, questions, queries you have, you can ask me now. And one request, if you can switch on your video so that we can talk to each other. So, this is your show where you can ask your doubts, your questions, your queries. Yes, Bhumi Raj, do you have any question? Yogesh, Bigyan, yeah, I have to answer your questions only. If you don't have any questions, so we'll be. So welcome Ishwar Prasad and Subhan. So if you have any questions, please ask. So let me tell you what is
the first time हामी सँग त पैसा नै छैन.
Subhan, can you speak in either Hindi or English? I don't know Nepali. Yes, anyone else?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please, Ishwari Prasad.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
I am from Nepal and I am a teacher also.
Nepal, which place, sir?
Nepal, Urla Valley, sir.
Urla, okay.
I am teaching mathematics.
Great.
In mathematics, always many students are being failed. Now, how can we solve this problem? And many students do not understand mathematics. What to do, sir?
Okay, my simple question to you is, very first question is, which class do you teach?
Class, especially 9 and 10, I am teaching, sir.
Okay, 9 and 10. So,
Yes, sir.
Do you think this problem is with 9th and 10th or right from class 1 and 2 also?
From the beginning, sir, I think.
Okay. Now, I'll ask you a very simple question. Please, and I would request if you can switch on your video, then it would be better. Otherwise, I'm asking you one simple question.
Okay, sir. Okay.
What is 12 plus 18?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer to this?
Answer will be 30.
Perfect. Now, my question is, how will you check this answer? How will you verify this answer?
That any other idea? That other idea, I don't know, sir. Just by adding.
Yes, Subhan. What were you saying? Please repeat.
30 minus 12.
30 minus 12. You are in which class?
1.
Class 1. So in class 1, you were taught first addition or subtraction? What were you taught first? Addition or subtraction? पहले क्या कराया था आपको? Sorry?
Addition.
Addition. तो जब आपको एडिशन कराई गई, क्या आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन आता था?
Yes.
कस्तो हुनुपर्छ पढ्नेमा चाहिँ कस्तो हुनुपर्छ त्यो कति राख्नुपर्छ
You don't are not understanding. When you were taught addition, आपको सब्ट्रैक्शन कैसे आता था? जब स्टार्ट सिलेबस मैथ स्टार्ट होता है एडिशन से, हाउ डू यू नो सब्ट्रैक्शन दैट टाइम? यस ईश्वर प्रसाद. आपको मेरी प्रॉब्लम, आपको क्वेश्चन समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? हम मैथ्स क्वेश्चन देते हैं बच्चों को और उसके बाद बोलते हैं इसे सॉल्व करो, देन वी से चेक द आंसर्स इन द रफ शीट। एग्जाम में आप रफ शीट देते हैं? यस और नो? रफ शीट देते हैं कि नहीं?
Rough sheet. Before we used to give, but later on we have blocked, sir. That also rough sheet also we are not giving.
Because you have allowed calculators. आप मेरा मतलब नहीं समझ रहे हैं अभी तक। हम लोग बच्चों को बोलते हैं ना, चेक योर आंसर्स, वेरीफाई योर आंसर्स। अच्छा, उनको पता कैसे चलता है कि वो ठीक है कि नहीं? आप मूल कारण को देखिए, प्रॉब्लम को समझिए, दिस इज करेक्ट, ये कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? ये एक छोटा सा सवाल है, सवाल कुछ भी हो सकता है। सवाल हो सकता है 496, 381, आप कुछ आंसर दे सकते हैं, बट वो गलत भी हो सकता है। मेरा क्वेश्चन सिंपल सा ये था कि इसे प्रूफ कैसे करेंगे, चेक कैसे करेंगे, वेरीफाई कैसे करेंगे, जो हम बार बार बच्चों को बोलते हैं। जब भी हम पढ़ाते हैं, जब भी हम होमवर्क देते हैं, जब भी हम टेस्ट लेते हैं, हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं पहले तो ये क्वेश्चंस करो, और बाद में हम पूछते हैं क्या आपने चेक किया, वेरीफाई किया? पूछते हैं या नहीं मैथ्स में? यस ईश्वर प्रसाद, जब तक आप जवाब नहीं देंगे मैं आपसे समझ नहीं पाऊंगा कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आपको आ रही है, क्योंकि नेपाल में प्रॉब्लम है। ये मैं पिछले 2 साल से नेपाल में ट्रेनिंग्स दे रहा हूँ आपकी काठमांडू यूनिवर्सिटी। योगेश प्लीज वॉल्यूम बंद कर दीजिए, नहीं तो मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा।
Sir, this just addition also we have taught by tradition way. Traditionally we have taught just 6 plus 1 7, 9 plus 8 17, 7 right 7 carry over 1, and 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus that carry over 1 is 8. Like that we have taught before.
सर मैं आपको वो भी आसान करा दूंगा, मैं जब तक मेरे सवालों का जवाब नहीं बीच में दोगे मैं समझ कैसे पाऊंगा? मूल कारण क्या है? मूल कारण क्या है? हम बच्चे को मैथ्स रटाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड 2 plus 7 is 8, 12 plus 18 is 30, और एक ही तरीके से हम उनको कराने की कोशिश करते हैं। वैदिक मैथ्स क्या है? सिंप्लिसिटी। अब मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं, चलिए, आपने प्लेस वैल्यूज कराया था? ये तो कराते हैं आप। यूनिट प्लेस पर कितने डिजिट आते हैं? टेंस पोजीशन पर कितने डिजिट आते हैं? हंड्रेड्स पे कितने आते हैं? थाउजेंड्स पे कितने आते हैं? यस योगेश। सुभान,
I have kids also, sir. Yeah, they are reading in class 4 and class 6, and they are telling here.
बताएं सर, यूनिट पर कितने आते हैं?
Tell. भन्नु यहाँ युनिट प्लेसमा कतिवटा डिजिट आउँछ अरे?
Unit place.
अँ,
1.
अलि साह्रो भन्नु त।
एंड टेंस
1.
पर?
टेन्स प्लेसमा
1.
कतिवटा डिजिट आउँछ? टेन्स प्लेसमा कतिवटा डिजिट आउँछ? कतिवटा डिजिट हुन्छ?
यस योगेश।
2 भन्नु।
1.
100 पर?
1.
3.
1000 पर?
4.
1.
यस कितना आता है?
1.
प्रॉब्लम यहीं से शुरू होती है कि हमें यही क्लैरिटी नहीं है। हम क्या सिखा रहे हैं बच्चों को कि यूनिट प्लेस 1, टेंस प्लेस 2, 100 प्लेस 3, 1000 प्लेस 4। नो, ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स हैं, बट एक्चुअल की बात करें तो देयर इज ओनली 1 डिजिट एट एवरी प्लेस, और यही आपको मेंटेन करना है। अभी आपने एडिशन का सवाल किया, मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं। ये देखिए 39 plus 48, अगर आपने ये ऐड करना, आप करेंगे 9 + 8 17। क्या 17 यहाँ लिखेंगे आप? नो, आप 7 यहाँ लिखेंगे, 1 यहाँ लिखेंगे और इसको 8 कर देंगे, करेक्ट। बट हम गलती कहाँ करते हैं, ये भूल जाते हैं पेपर में।
करेक्ट।
अब वैदिक मैथ्स की टेक्निक देखिए, 39 48 9 + 8 17 और एक ये बैलेंसिंग लाइन बीच में डाल दी। 3 + 4 कितना होता है? 7। नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हर डिजिट, ये यूनिट प्लेस था, ये टेंस था, क्या यूनिट पे 2 डिजिट आ सकते हैं? नो। सो जो एक्स्ट्रा डिजिट है उसे शिफ्ट कर देते हैं और वो बनता है 87। जब हम इस मेथड को फॉलो करेंगे हमारी कभी गलती ही नहीं होगी, हमें टेबल्स भी याद नहीं करने पड़ेंगे, हमें एडिशन सिंपल हो जाएगी। जो अभी आपने ईश्वर क्वेश्चन पूछा, टेबल सिर्फ अगर 8 या 9 तक आते हैं तो आपको 100 तक के याद ही नहीं करने, एकदम हो जाएंगे अपने आप, विद इन सेकेंड्स आप अपने आप दिमाग से कर सकते हैं। पर पहले ये समझना है हमें कि ये बैलेंसिंग लाइन, इसका बहुत सिंपल सा उदाहरण है। जब बच्चे स्कूल में क्लास में बैठते हैं तो व्हाट हैपेंस, वो एक एक चेयर पर बैठ जाते हैं। क्या एक चेयर पर 2 बच्चे बैठते हैं? क्या बैठ सकते हैं? नहीं, क्योंकि एक चेयर चाहिए एक बच्चे को, और अगर एक दूसरा बच्चा आता है तो वो क्या कहता है? शिफ्ट, आप अगली चेयर पे जाइए। तो सेम इज अ थिंग, जैसे ही वहां 2 हो गए सो वो शिफ्ट कर देता है एक्स्ट्रा डिजिट को, जो टेंस, जो बड़ा वाला पोजीशन पे है उसको शिफ्ट कर दिया जाता है नेक्स्ट। आप बोलेंगे सर आपने तो 2 स्टेप ले लिए, यहाँ तो सिंगल स्टेप था। स्टेप्स का फर्क नहीं है। द पॉइंट इज आप गलती नहीं करेंगे। व्हाई? बिकॉज द थिंग्स आर वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड। मैं और एग्जांपल देता हूं, ये देखिए 3 1 8 6 7 8, एडिशन करना है। 8 और 8 16। एक तो ये वेरीफाई हो जाएगा बहुत इजी कि यस 16 ही आता है टोटल। बैलेंसिंग लाइन 1 + 7 8, इसे कहते हैं प्लेस वाइज एडिशन। यूनिट प्लेस का अलग से कर लिया, टेंस का अलग से कर लिया, 100 का अलग से कर लिया। 9, अब बैलेंस करना है तो इसको यहां किया 9 9 6। जो गलती बाई चांस भी हो सकती थी, क्योंकि जब हम कैरी ओवर लेते हैं तो वी जनरली मेक सिली मिस्टेक्स, तो वो सिली मिस्टेक्स ही खत्म हो गई यहां पर। एक और देखिए 9 9 4 8 6, 9 + 6 15, 9 + 8 17, 3 + 4 7। तो बैलेंस कैसे करना है? इसको यहां दिया जब, तो यहाँ क्या हो गया 18, यहाँ पहले 5 लिया, 18 का मतलब सिर्फ 8 लेंगे, 1 फिर आगे दे दिया 8 8 8 5। जो हम गलती करते थे बार बार, वो गलती भी निकल गई। एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज प्लेस वाइज एडिशन। क्या ये मुश्किल है? बताइए। यस ईश्वरी प्रसाद,
Yes, sir.
इज इट डिफिकल्ट नाउ? गलती
No
कहाँ,
difficult, sir.
No difficult, sir. Easy.
मैथ में गलती कहाँ होती है? सी देयर आर 2 सिली मिस्टेक्स, वन इज मल्टीपल कैरी ओवर्स एंड द सेकेंड सिली मिस्टेक इज बोरिंग। अब इसी को अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन टेबल्स की बात करें, मैं एकदम आपसे पूछता हूं व्हाट इज 49 × 9? देखिए इसका मतलब क्या है, 49 का टेबल 9th पोजीशन पर। बहुत सिंपल है। कैसे? 9 9 81, आपको भी पता है, सबको आता है 9 तक का टेबल। 9 4 36, बस इनको ऐड कर दो क्योंकि इसको हमने इधर भेजना है ना। ये समझ लो बैलेंसिंग हो गया। 36 + 8 44, 1 सिंगल डिजिट आपने ऐड कर दिया अगलों में, तो आपके पास आंसर आ गया। और ये आप मेंटली कर सकते हैं, आप सभी कर सकते हैं। एक और एग्जांपल 38 × 6, तो 6 8 48, 6 3 18, सो 18 में 4 किया 2 2 8। जो टेबल्स हमें याद करना मुश्किल लगता था, जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन मुश्किल लगती थी, वो इमीडिएटली कोई आपसे पूछता है टेबल, आप प्रॉब्लम मैंने देखा है नेपाल में 12 से ऊपर टेबल्स नहीं आते हैं. सो 13 7 जा सिंपल करो, 21 7, सो 9 91 फिनिश. कितनी जल्दी आप दिमाग में कर पाएंगे. और चाहिए क्या, सिर्फ 9 तक के टेबल्स. 9 भी नहीं चाहिए, इनफैक्ट 8 तक चाहिए. अगर आपने मेरी वर्कशॉप्स देखी हैं, रेगुलर क्लास सेशंस देखे हैं, सो 9 का टेबल आप एक गेम से सीख सकते हैं. और ऐसे ही जितने 9 से एंड होते हैं टेबल्स, दैट ऑल कैन बी डन विद इन सेकेंड्स. सो पॉइंट इज, मैथमेटिक्स को इजी, सिंपल और फास्ट बनाने के लिए, दैट इज नोन एज Vedic mathematics. So Vedic maths is what makes mathematics simple, easy and faster. और अगर एक लैंग्वेज में, एक वर्ड में पूछें तो मैजिकल. अब ईश्वर प्रसाद, 9th में आपके पास क्वेश्चंस आते हैं क्यूब रूट के, स्क्वायर रूट के. सो कैसे करते हैं?
Yes, sir.
स्क्वायर रूट और क्यूब रूट आता है 9th में.
Cube root, not sir, in class 7 and 8.
चलिए 8 तो 8 9th में नहीं आता आपके यहाँ, तो 9th में क्या आता है अर्थमेटिक्स में?
Arithmetic, that CPSP BAT, profit and loss.
ओके. चलिए अगर मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ 9604, इसका स्क्वायर रूट कैसे निकालेंगे आप? सिर्फ देख के. बोलिए. Yes, anyone else who want to try?
Just
1 plus
by division
Yogesh.
method and by factorization method we have taught.
Okay. Now by factorizing method, start 9604. कितना आया?
2 for the 8, 1, 2 8 the 16, 0, 2.
उसके बाद
Again by 2 we can divide.
2401.
2401.
After this,
3 से होगा.
3, 7.
yes, anyone who wants to try? Vinay Yadav. अब देखो, अगर ये पेपर होता तो आप 2 मिनट लगा चुके हैं. क्या एंट्रेंस टेस्ट में, क्या स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट में इतना टाइम होता है?
No.
This is the reason why students have pressure of mathematics या fear of mathematics. ये था आपका first method. Second और कोई? Yes, Rama Dahel, Dil Chetri, Anil Adhikari. Any one of you want to go for it? This is a question on, most of you are teachers. Yes, Anil Adhikari. See, if you are not interested, Vinay, you can leave.
कैसे ना सके, मैं तो खोल देता है.
Yes. और दूसरा मेथड आप कुछ बता रहे थे?
अरे मेरा तो फेवरेट है यार, नेपाली भाषा बड़ी इंडिया में मलाई.
Yes, anyone else who can do this question? उमेश आप पूछ सकते हैं नेपाली में इनसे, क्योंकि हिंदी में शायद नहीं जब समझ आ रहा है. Lakshmi, can you help me out?
Yes, sir.
I hope they are not understanding in English or Hindi.
तपाईहरुलाई नेपाली ल्याङ्ग्वेजले प्रब्लम हुँदैछ? हेलो
धेरै साथीहरूलाई ल्याङ्ग्वेजले प्रब्लम भयो जस्तो बुझेँ मैले।
ए हजुर के प्रब्लम हुँदैछ है?
होइन, मलाई त त्यस्तो प्रब्लम छैन कि, म त इङ्ग्लिसमा रिप्लाई गर्छु होइन।
हजुर
बुझ्न चाहिँ हिन्दी बुझ्छु, तर म रिप्लाई गर्न जान्दिनँ हिन्दीमा, त म रिप्लाई चाहिँ इङ्ग्लिसमा गरिरहेको छु। तर अरू
हजुर।
जोइन हुने साथीहरूलाई चाहिँ हिन्दी पनि नबुझ्ने हो कि खै के हो, रिप्लाई पनि गर्नु भएको छैन इङ्ग्लिसमा पनि, त्यही समस्या होला।
अरूलाई के प्रब्लम हुँदैछ मलाई भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ?
Chalo, no issues. I got the problem. There is something in the language, not to issue. And yes, Dil Chetri, short division method. See, division method again takes time. Now, this question can be solved just by mere observation.
Okay.
Right? How? Dil Chetri, can you switch on your video? See, if you are talking to me, please switch on your videos. That does not look sensible. How can I interact with you? Now, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Now, see, when you are going for square roots, Ishwar Prasad, take care. Right hand side, say, once make a pair of 2. Make another pair. 2 pairs are there. That means answer is 2-digit number. First point. 2 pairs, 2-digit number. Now this, I'll write, I will start with new page. 9604. I made 1 pair, I made 2nd pair. First, observe right hand side. Now this right hand side, it is ending with 4. Correct? Now, if you remember the table of first 10 digits, 1 square was 1, 2 square was 4, 3 square was 9, 4 square was 16, 5 square was 25, 6 square was 49, then 64, and then 81. So that means 04 if it is coming, that means the number is, very first thing it was 2-digit. Now 04 means either the second digit is 2 or the second digit is 8. Just by mere observation, 04 means we are not checking 04, we are just seeing 4. So 4 means either the number is having 2 on the unit place or 8 at the unit place. Now, second, observe left hand side. Now 96. Where do we find 96? 96 comes between 81 and 100. What is 81?
9 is square of 9.
9.
And 10 square. So 96 comes between 9 square and 10 square. So the answer is, okay, remember one thing. We always take the lower side. We never go for the bigger. So my answer is either 92 or 98. So see, I have got the 2 answers now. With factorization, you cannot come to such conclusion immediately. Third step. Now we found 2 numbers, 9 and 10. So we'll multiply those. 9 and 10 gives me 90. But my number is 96. 96, my number is bigger. So I will choose bigger number from this. So bigger is 98. So the answer is 98. So just by mere observation, because this is observation, for this you need to remember the table of first 10 numbers. Dil Chetri,
Sir,
you
at
were
last,
there in the,
excuse me, at last I did not understand, sir.
at the last, you found between the 2 numbers 9 and 10.
92 and 98, I understood up to there.
Here, 96 we observed on the basis of 9 square and 10 square. Correct?
Yeah.
So we'll multiply 9 and 10. We will multiply those numbers in which we found the solution. So 9 and 10 gives me 90. But my number is bigger. Got my point? My number is
Yeah.
96,
Bigger गाड़ी
bigger than
चलाएगा
90.
तारा
So I will
Yeah.
choose bigger
भरोसा कर
one.
लेगा
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Vinay,
पेपर
so this is now what can we do this in exam? Otherwise, we take so much of time because we don't have that much of time in any competition, anything where we can work on this. Okay, one more I'll show you. Let's say one number is 1, 5, 8, 7, 6. I have to find square root of this. So how will we, again, if you say factorization method, then we'll go for 10 minutes. We don't have 10 minutes in entrance exam. We just have 1 minute for one question. So on observation, 76 is the first pair, 156 is the second pair. Very simple.
158.
Sorry, 158. 76 means the number is ending with 6. So where do we get 6? 1 we get 6 squares are 36. And 1 we get, where do we get? Anil, sorry, I cannot speak in Nepali.
4 square.
Sorry.
4 square is 36.
And
16.
English is, I think, a language which everybody can understand. If you cannot understand English, I'm sorry. So
4 square is also 16, sir.
4 square is also 16. So that means 6 we get 2 times. When number is 4 square means something 4 square. So this gives me that my number is either 4 ending with 4 or either ending with 6. Very simple. Second, observe 158. So where do we find 158? 12 square is 144. What is 13 square? 1, 6,
169.
69.
So that means
It's between 12 to 13.
so my number is 124 or 126. How simply you did it. And then now I'll multiply these two. 12 into 13 is 156. But again, my number is 158, which is more. So this is the right answer.
Answer.
If please understand here, if here it would have been 152, then what would have happened? My number is
124.
12 into 156. This number is lower. So then it would have been a lower number. So we just have to see what about my number? So in that manner, you do it. Clear now? Yes, Dil Chetri, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you can understand or you can do calculations in very minimum time. See, one it became simple. One, it took less time. Correct. And if less time means faster, easy, because everybody knows the table of first 10 digits scaring. Now, this was, Dil Chetri, you did the workshop where I taught you this.
Yes, sir.
1, 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16.
16.
5 square, 25.
25.
6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. And 10 square is 100.
100.
Apart from this, you should know 11 square is 121. 12 square is 124. 31. So now what happens? This table was very helpful when we were finding squares of bigger number that you saw that day. But other than that, this is very helpful in finding square roots. Got my point? It's not only helping you one way, it is helping you twice, one in squares, one in square root. Similarly, the table for cubes, that will help you in finding cubes of the bigger numbers as well as in cube roots. Now is it clear? Yes. So any questions now you have?
No question.
Yes, anyone has any questions? Yes, Vinay, you are saying something? Yes, Kopila. Please, if you don't have any questions, please mute your video audio so that we should not get disturbed. If you have any questions, you're most welcome. Yes, Kopila. Anything else you want to know? Binay Chaudhary, Rama, Jeevan Pun. Yes, Umesh, if they don't have any questions, so I think we should finish it off.
Okay, sure.
So you can ask them once. If they have any query, we can sort it out. Otherwise, it's 8:33 and we can.
तपाईँहरूले बुझ्नुभयो कि भएन?
एक मिनेट अघि नेपालीमा कुरा गर्न खोजेको
याद करने से देखना कोपिला something Kopila is saying something I don't know. Kab Kopila, can you write down in English or Hindi? I cannot understand you Nepali.
नेपाली कुरा गर्न खोजेको
सर क्यूब कैसे याद करना है वो बता दें।
क्यूब कैसे याद करना है? कोई
How to
नंबर
find out the
बोलिए।
cube?
क्यूब्स का टेबल याद है? क्यूब रूट या क्यूब? क्यूब या क्यूब रूट?
She is asking cube.
क्यूब
Yes, sir.
क्यूब के स्पेलिंग गलत लिखे थे आपने कोपिला. Okay. Anyhow, let's say cube, it's a very interesting thing. There are three kinds of numbers. One, numbers. So first we'll talk about what is one cube.
One.
What is two cube?
8.
Very good. What is three cube?
27.
27.
Four cube?
64.
Perfect. Five cube?
125.
125.
Great. Six cube?
216.
9.
Yes, Yogesh. What is six cube? 216. Okay. Seven cube?
343.
Very good. Eight cube?
512.
5?
12.
12. 9 cube?
729.
10 cube?
1000.
Now, one thing you observe here, each number is ending with a different number. This is ending with 1. This is ending with 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9, 0. So cube roots would be very easy. If you understand this cube roots with this table or with Vedic maths, it would save you every time. Now, we were talking about cubes. So I'll divide. So let's start cubes from number 11 to 99 first. Means a 2-digit number. I'll divide the numbers into three groups. First is numbers starting with 1. So what are the numbers starting with 1 in 11 to 99?
11, 21, 31, 41, 51 till.
Do they start with 1? 21, 31.
No, sorry. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and all. That ending with
Till 19.
Starting, sir. No issues. Till that workshop, going. So numbers ending with 1. So that are
11, 21.
11,
31,
21, 31, and
41.
91.
Yes.
Correct. So we don't have time so much today. So I'll take these 2 examples. So the first example, for example, number starting with 1, 12. Now, normally, if I have to solve this, my procedure is 12 into 12, 24, then 0, then 1, 2, so 144. And then again, I'll do 2, 8, 8, 1, 4, 4, 0. So that becomes 1, 7, 2, 8. So that means 4 times you're doing multiplication and twice addition. Now this is what we have been following since so much, right from class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, wherever, whatever you have syllabus. Now, the same thing, just observe how it can be done easily in Vedic maths. 12. So just take 4 spaces. First one, write as it is. 2, write as it is. Any doubt, any problem in this? No. We take 4 spaces, first digit 1, second digit 2. Now, whatever is this middle digit other than 1, find the square of this. So what is square of 2?
4.
Kopil, we are just starting. So what you have not understood? That was a table which you have to remember first 10 digits. Now I'm talking about 12 cube.
Wow.
So 1, 2, find the square of 2, we write 4. Then write the cube of 2. What is cube of 2?
8.
8. So this is half of my answer.
8.
Now, what we do is we double the middle terms. Whatever the middle terms are, we double it. So 2 doubles 4, 4 double 8, and add everything. So this becomes 8, 2,
12.
7, 1.
7.
Finish. So simple, not to waste any time. Simply 1, 2, 4, 8, and 4, 8 we doubled, and it can be done. One more example I'll show you. 14. So that means 1, then 4. So what is square of 4? 16. What is cube of 4?
64.
64. Double the middle terms. 8, 32. 1, balancing line 12, balancing line 48, balancing line 4. So 4 as it is, this goes here. 48 plus 6
14.
is 54.
54.
48 plus 6 is 54. So only 4 will be left. 5 goes further. So it becomes 17. So again, 7 would be
5
here.
goes
And 1 goes further. So 2.
17.
20. So 2, 7, 4, 4 is the answer. So much time is saved because now you are doing with the Vedic maths concept and most simplest. So if you understood, please try 13 cube. Try. Yes, Yogesh, you did it in the workshop. So you try first.
Two 2197.
2197. Perfect. Right. So I have a class after this. So yes, anyone has any question? Otherwise, we'll go for the next. Anyone?
No, sir.
See, you can share your WhatsApp numbers with Mr. Umesh. He can guide you in Nepali also. Right. So you can share with him or you can share on the chats. So he'll share you everything in Nepali. Now the second was numbers ending with 1. So again, 21 cube. If normal procedure, you have to go 21 cube. So you go 21 into 21, 21. Then 4, 4, 1. Sorry. 0, 2, 4. So 4, 4, 1 is the answer. Then again 4, 4, 1. You multiply with 21. So see, such a long procedure. And now what you'll do? Earlier my number was starting with 1. So I wrote 1, 2, and then square of 4, 8. Here the procedure will reverse. It is ending with 1. So first I'll write 1. Then I'll write 2 here. Now square of 2, 4. Cube of 4, 8.
8.
Again, the two middle terms, 8, 4. So answer is 9, 2, 6, 1. Now clear. So this way you can do it in a simple manner. Vedic math is very simple. If people who have learned tables from me, you can write tables within 10 seconds. Now tables is the biggest burden of every child. Rani Sharma, please. So yes. So anyone has any query left? So last 1 minute, you can ask me anything you want. Yes, Kopila, any question? If you want to ask in Nepali, Lakshmi ma'am is there, Umesh sir is there, he can answer you.
Huh? Sleep.
So thank you very much. So we'll meet next Tuesday. Right. So any doubts you have numbers of Mr. Umesh, you can contact him. He can teach you in Nepali. And if you have anything.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Rani, so it's not my fault. It was 8 to 8:45.
Especially in class 9 and 10, how to make understand, sir, mathematics?
Very first thing, it's not 9th and 10th. It has to be in the beginning itself. I asked you so many questions. You didn't respond to me. The first thing is you need to understand is they have to be confident. Whatever they are doing, let it be, you said regarding selling price and marketing price and all those topics. But the point is they are not well versed with the calculations. They are not sure whether whatever they are doing is correct or not. And in all the calculations, you need addition, subtraction, multiplications first. So if you don't have that knowledge of multiplication only, how will you move further? So it's not about 9 standard. It is about the basics first, tables first. First, they should be very much confident that, yes, I know mathematics. Got it? No issues. So I have a class now. So thank you very much. And we'll connect next week.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.